Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Modern Warfare 3 Can Join Friends Party PC. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first workaround is account shuffle. If you are unable to join your friend's party, try an account shuffle. Some players have reported success by simply changing accounts on the same hardware. It might sound simple, but sometimes this workaround does the trick. So the next workaround is verifying game files. Whether you are playing through Steam or Battle.net, it's crucial to verify your game files. This process can uncover any underlying issues that might be causing the join problem. So don't skip this step. And the third workaround is switching roles. Sometimes switching roles can make all the difference. If you are having trouble joining your friend's party, try having them host instead. If that doesn't work, switch it up. You become the host and let them join in your party. And now, if nothing else works, close the game completely and open it again. Sometimes a fresh start can also solve the problem. Lastly, make sure your game is up to date. Check it for any available updates in your game platform like Steam or Battle.net and install them if there are any, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.